What happens when your day-to-day routine is interrupted? What happens when your world tilts and shakes? What's it like to step into a new reality? Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to another Down Home Clean Carnivore video. That's exactly what happened to me. By late summer of 2023, low-carb eating and intermittent fasting had become a part of my daily life. The weight was coming off and I felt better. Life was getting into a comfortable rhythm. I thought I understood what was happening, but my reality was about to change. You see, something was happening that I didn't even notice. It wasn't on the scale and it wasn't in the mirror. It was something happening in my mind. Looking back, I suspect that fasting played a major role. Low carb eating had changed what I ate, and intermittent fasting had changed when I ate. One of the things fasting is known for is a process called autophagy. That's a fancy word that describes the body's ability to clean house, breaking down and recycling old and damaged cellular material. Was that the reason? I don't know. Whether it was autophagy or lower insulin levels, ketones, reduced inflammation, or some combination of all of them, I can't tell you. I only know what happened. Paminaw ug paminaw kaayo. That's Visayan for listen and listen carefully. The only thing I had changed was what I ate and when I ate it. And then one day, I don't remember where I was standing. Now, I don't remember how long I stood there. I don't remember anything much except for the clarity. The fog was gone. The fog that was in my brain, just gone. My mind was clear, and I found myself in a new reality where peace and calm surrounded me. I knew at once that I was free, free from depression, free from what I now know as brain fog. My chains were broken and my shackles fell away. My reality had changed and I recognized it immediately. The moment was euphoric. I knew what I had was powerful and I wanted to share it. For 3 years now, I've struggled to explain it. Every time I've tried to describe what happened, I found myself wrestling with the words. How do you explain clarity to someone who has never experienced it? How do you explain freedom from brain fog to someone who's still living in it? Eventually, I recognized that what I was experiencing was non-transferable, an experience that cannot be communicated, only experienced. But while I couldn't fully communicate the experience, I could tell people what happened to me. I couldn't guarantee that others would experience it the same way that I did, but I could invite them to walk with me. And what I want to shout from the mountaintops is this: the carnivore diet is not merely a weight loss diet. That's how often it's portrayed: a fad diet, a temporary fix, an unhealthy way of eating. But that's not what I've experienced. I came from the weight loss. I came for the weight loss, and what I found was healing, healing my mind, healing my thinking, healing my relationship with food, healing from depression and brain fog, healing that reached far beyond the number on the scale. The pounds came off, but the weight loss wasn't the miracle. The clarity was. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're walking a similar path, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. In the next episode, we'll explore what happened after the fog lifted. My thinking changed. My outlook changed. And before long, I was not the same man. Until then, this is Steve reminding you that the way back is the next meal. God bless.